Hi, I'm Ricky Abonin from Agricultural Business Machine Incorporated. Here in our agricultural business, we provide the full satisfaction that needs in agricultural farming. A while ago, you saw a short video containing a machine. That machine is what we call a combine harvester. A combine harvester is a kind of technology that processes combine harvesting, threshing, cleaning, and bagging in one operation at a shorten of time. So let me present to you the combine harvester. So let's go. This is a combine harvester. It is a versatile machine designed to efficiently harvest a variety grain of crops. The name derives from its combining three separate harvesting operations: reaping, threshing, and winnowing into a single process. Combine harvesters are one of the most economically important labor-saving inventions, significantly reducing the fraction of population engaged in the agriculture. Is our concern. That is why we employ strict quality control procedures to give you only the best. To serve you better, we would like to know your comments and suggestions. Feel free to call us at 0946-1485-882 or write us in our Gmail account rickyabonin999 at gmail.com. Please keep that information to help us. Thank you.